to survive, I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your kwabi. Your body, they back at me.